Out here taking a cruise. Could have some wet, rainy weather here. Get you this right here. There's our wet rain. Here's just gravel put over a tile right here. I mean, we've got a shitload of rain. There's wheat fields. I ain't too good at riding a little motorcycle one-handed on these back roads right here. All this rain's cut us out of doing anything working-wise. We can get out there and make any more of a mess than we have to. Do a couple of shout-outs. One of them is Broad Acre Views, I think. I think that's what it's called now. There's you another shot. That there usually ain't but maybe about 3 or 4 foot wide, and that there's done got up on the banks there to where it's, you can see about 10 or 12, more like about 14 foot wide. It's just you can't really see it there. It's too dark in here for you to see it. It's been real nasty weather all week long, and I'm about getting sick of it. I got my muck boots on and ride a little moped here. The sound of the wind's really annoying on here. I'm trying to cover up the microphone port. More of your weight stuff right there. Rabbit. this something up here on a tree. If it's still here, I want to show you guys. Shoot. Y'all like this? Get up here to it. And y'all really like this. Oh no, our bloomers is gone. Yeah, the bloomers is gone off of it. Somebody ain't got nothing else to do they? Cut this off and get back to the house. Just to get y'all info update and everything. Should be back out in the fields in about maybe a couple days. Still got about 100 and something rolls of hay to move. Try to get up some videos of that. And, still got some hay to mow. About 75 acres. I'll try to get y'all up some videos of that. Comment, rate, subscribe. Don't forget to check out that Broadview Acres channel. And I'm out.